Residents of Enugwu-Ukwu village in Enugwu-Ukwu local government area have cause to celebrate as a philanthropist in the town, Mr. Anekwe, has flagged off the construction of a 1.5-kilometer road in the area. The road construction, which connects to Mr. Anekwe's residence, will stretch from the old Enugwu-Onitsha Expressway through Ring Road in Enugwu-Ukwu. Our correspondent, Ngozi was there and now reports.
Mr. Anekwe, who hails from a neighboring village in Enugwu-Ukwu but has his building in Enugwu-Ukwu, initiated the project to alleviate the suffering caused by the deplorable condition of the road. During the flag-off, the Transition Committee Chairman Njikoka Local Government Area Barrister Clement Aguyi commended the benefactor for his commitment to community development, emphasizing the importance of using wealth for the benefit of all rather than oppressing others. He also announced plans to flag off another road in Enugwu-Ukwu next week and expressed optimism that around 7 kilometers of roads will be inaugurated by the end of the year. Speaking, the Anambra State Commissioner for Budget and Economic Planning, Mrs. Chiamaka Anekwe, and the member representing Njikoka 1 constituency, Honorable Chidebele Ibemeka, expressed gratitude to the philanthropist and encouraged others to follow suit, highlighting the state government call for public community-private partnerships and think home philosophy.
Honorable all the presidential and governorship handshake. There were said and go to and only I think one does
the traditional ruler of Enugwu-Ukwu, Igwera of Ebe, represented by a cabinet member, Chief Clement Nwafo, and the chairman, Enugwu-Ukwu village, the King Henry Okafo, praised the philanthropist as a true son of the soil with a genuine concern for his people's welfare, urging the contractors to uphold high standards. Responding, Mr. Anekwe, represented by his sister, Mr. Ifoma Anekwe, assured that the road spanning 3 villages will be completed before December 20th, 2023 to contribute to the community's socio-economic development.
We have not been this road. They can buy this road. None of them will take to be and this be here. Oh, they are free from what he pay on another which are next year. In a China, the sick you will take any key. But can also hear you put a room. Who's why you make it a business? Even if the one on a dan, I had THA go near will go as the booze. So, no say it.
Speaking on behalf of Kotaps Engineering Limited, Engineer Jacob Enaini highlighted the road features, including double drainages, a width of 7.3 meters with flood control, and its potential to ease traffic congestion and serve as a bypass. He acknowledged challenges in removing some fences hindering progress, but pledged to complete the project according to schedule and with high standards. From Enugwu-Ukwu, I am Ngozi Obileri for ABS News.